Hello everyone, myself Advocate Anish Kumar Singh, and in this video we are discuss difference between constitutional rights, legal rights and human and fundamental rights. Constitutional rights, legal rights and human rights and fundamental rights are all related to the protection of our individual rights and freedoms, but they difference in their scopes, origin and enforceability. What is constitutional rights? Constitutional rights are those rights that are guaranteed by the constitution of a country. They are rights that are explicitly mentioned in the constitution and are protected by the law. In India, the Constitution of India guarantees fundamental rights to its citizen, including the right to equality, freedom of speech and freedom of religion. What is legal rights? Legal rights and those rights are those rights that are recognized and enforced by the law. They are rights that are created by law and regulations, and they vary from country to country. For example, the right to vote is a legal right that is guaranteed to citizens of a country by the law. What is human rights? Human rights are those rights that are inherent to all humans being regarding of their nationality, race, gender or any other status. They are universal, individuals and interdependence, and they are recognized by international law. Example of human rights include the right to life, the right to education and the right to work. What is fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are those rights that are considered essential for the development and dignity of the individuals. They are usually guaranteed by the constitution and are considered to the cornerstone of all democratic society. In India, fundamental rights are guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution of India. Constitutional rights are those rights that are guaranteed by the Constitution. Legal rights are those rights that are recognized and enforced by the law. Human rights are inherent to all human beings, and fundamental rights are considered essential for the development and dignity of the individual. It is important to understand these differences to ensure that your rights are protected and enforced. If you want more such information, follow us, do hit the subscribe button for more information. Thank you very much.